Hey guys, this is Erod with Erod Builds, and today I'm going to show you how to install one of my custom-made Digimon Vital Bracelet extended wristbands, along with a few other accessories which I will show you throughout the video. Let's jump right in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment or message me directly at the shop. I will put the link in the description. This is only my first video on this channel, but here you can expect to see a lot more tutorials and demonstrations of some of the stuff in my store. I'm also planning on doing some build videos and some tutorials on like 3D printing and design. If that's something you're interested in, or if you have any ideas you want to share on how to improve the Vital Bracelet, I'd love to hear about it. I do run another YouTube channel where I fly acrobatic drones and make vlogs, so if that's something you're interested in, I'll put a link up here so you can check that out. Again, thank you, and especially if you've got one of these already and you're here for the installation video, I just want to give you a huge shout out and thank you for the support. If you're thinking about getting one and you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment or message me directly at the shop. Again, the link is in the description. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.